when you need
because
my
the cold was extremely much and it's
I'm
cold.
here
There's no money
when
there.
you need my
Are you talking
I'm
to
here when you need my
you're already in the market buying stuff.
Okay.
Just made it.
I'm here
Okay, let's go
when
and
you
eat.
need my
See? It's not your bad. No, it's after 5. After 6, I mean, and it's dark. You stop to buy meat, buy chicken. Yeah, so as I was saying, we came late today. You can see everybody is going home. Hey guys, welcome back again to another day. Omo, I just want to end this vlog today because it's just I don't know if this is a new vlog. Is it? I don't even understand because like since 3 days it's been raining. The weather is so cold. Like yesterday it stopped raining in the evening and I decided to go out to go and get some groceries we don't have at home. Omo, and the cold, I couldn't even get all the things because the cold was extremely much. And see the weather, like it's been raining back to back. It's been raining back to back, guys. So we are up this morning eating breakfast. We want to go and have our bait before Chimbweda. So Kobe, what is it?
Nothing.
Why are you in my back? And I've not even cooked my ginger and lemon this morning. I want to cook it with cinnamon this morning. Oh God, on this weather is something, and I'm going to make plantain porridge because I also got unripe plantain yesterday. So my husband went to ask him to help me and buy palm oil and crayfish. Yes, let me bring out this fish that is in the freezer. Gonna melt before time get you use here. So a lot has been going on, guys, and you guys will soon see very soon on my channel what has been going on in our life. Okay, so I'll talk to you guys later. Let me go and bathe, get coffee, and our day will start. What do you want to say?
Bye.
Bye for what? Okay guys, I will talk to you guys later. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and give us a thumbs up.
losing all of our faith. We can't live
But you see
this
this weather,
way.
I've not even
Feel me
exercised for like
slowly
4-5 days
fade
now.
away.
I guess that I ate rice. God, I ate rice
Feel me slowly
because
fade
anything. Like
away.
there's no way to go out to buy things because it's been raining and it's cold. Just have to eat my rice like that in peace. So I'll talk to you guys later. Let's go and bathe. What is it?
Bye.
You want to tell me something? What is it?
Look at my stomach. I'm pregnant.
I didn't know that it'd be so hard, yeah, for me to relax, finding my purpose. I don't know what makes me happy, don't know what makes me sad. I sit around and ponder.
Only you're going to each time.
Yes.
Yeah, calling one on.
And my brother and we will eat meat and fried chicken.
Wow, that's good. Enjoy.
Yes, oil.
You're not even seeing what you're showing them.
So guys, we have oil, red oil,
Mm-hmm.
and we're cooking it with the other one. The other one is finished and the other one is not finished.
Okay, sir. We have heard.
I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!
Here. Are you baby? Are you able to make it? Make it so you see them. Even tell I give you the email that say you see them.
And my mom is cutting plantain. This is my handbag. Follow.
Who is follow?
My handbag, mommy.
Okay, I'll be follow.
Yes,
So I am the handbag, I'm following you.
yes.
How you like? See finish, I did go too much, they don't want.
And my baby girl's got this thing. And look at this. I'm watching video. And look what we brought. This. When I'm born like a baby, I take 2. And I go to the bin and get this thing. And my friend says it's 20. It's 1.
You need to remember when my memory gauge.
Yes. So guys, I have a surprise for you.
Madam.
Ta-da! Open your eyes. Say thank you. And you keep your phone over here, please. And you want to blow. Like what my mom is doing yesterday. Okay, sit down. Yes. And my face was so big. And my ears. And I'm now talking. Look at baby. And I'm like to tell my people. It is stuck.
So that is why you're laughing at your mom.
Yes.
Don't come close to the fire. Time to put the fish.
My fish! Wow!
Come and take. Open the pan. Last thing last. Last thing last.
You give me pop fish. Right?
People guys like to see.
And you're not giving me pop fish.
So what are you asking for here? When you are playing the fish,
And I steal it up.
you stole it from.
Yes. And I got to try very well.
You are going to go to hellfire. But you are stealing.
Like a bad guy. Stealing money.
Are you a bad guy?
No.
It's ready. The plantain is ready. Ready. Okay, let's go and eat. I'm done cooking. Let's go and eat because this is my first and last meal of the day. This is after 4. I'm done cooking, washed everything, and I want to go and eat. Okay. I want to go and eat.
Mommy,
I don't know, the brightness is somehow.
Mommy,
Where's
you
my
make white swallow
white swallow for what?
for the plantain soup.
You cannot use the white swallow and eat plantain now.
Okay.
The next day.
Here. Guys, I've waited for the weather to be okay for me to talk, but it's not okay. This is afternoon or the kachi. It is well. How you guys doing? Welcome back again. So this is it 2 days later? This is 2 days later because today is Wednesday, Thursday, I mean, and it's been cold. Since last week and this week, the kind of cold we have been experiencing here is something else. And you can see I'm even using flash so that the brightness will be okay and all of that. Why are you looking at me like that, Java Cake? So Kobe is eating his snacks. So he's eating his snacks because most times we learn at home and all of that. So he has finished learning and I said, let me just give him his snacks like water. Let him just enjoy before we go out and you come back and eat, okay? Because he have eaten before and if I give him any heavy food now, go chop him as you go take enjoy him. So I just have to give him. He normally eats snacks in the afternoon at home or in the evening later. So I just want to say thank you so much for clicking in. Today is Thursday and I'm going to go to the market and buy just few things, just small things. Not be like I'm not making stew, I'm not making anything huge. It's just some things that we need to add up at home. I have fruits, but small green vegetables and all of that to stock up the house again.
Mommy.
Buy bread.
See yourself.
You see my shadow. Okay, so that is it. I'm waiting for Sammy to come back because he needs to give me money for to go. Okay, so when he gets back, we'll be going. I don't know if I'm going to take you guys along because this weather, I don't understand them. I don't understand them at all. I don't understand them. So I'll talk to you guys later. If I'm going to take you guys along, you will see it in this vlog. If I didn't get to take you guys along, well, no verse. No be me because I'm not weather because I can't be filming when the weather is so bad. You guys should understand. Yeah. So God bless you, all each and every one of you that keeps on supporting us. And simple. Yeah. Later, okay? So I'll talk to you guys later. Kobe, what do you have to say?
Bye.
It's not yet bad. I'm not done with my vlog. I'm done with my. So I'm editing one video and watching movie, and yeah, I'll see you guys later. The weather is something else. You did not give me snacks, Kobe. You ate the cake. You are eating the biscuits. After you drink the juice, you did not give your mommy. You're very wicked. I don't want. Chop your biscuits. Thank you.
You said I'm wicked.
No, you're not wicked. You're not wicked.
You said I'm wicked because I don't give you this love cake, right?
Yes. Thank you.
Sorry.
Thank you. I don't want to eat.
Okay.
So we are here to take money. We're already out of the house, but it's cold. There's no money there. Wait. Hey, I don't want to go to the man. I have to go today. Wait. So guys, we are out to go and get this. So this is after 5. After 6, I mean, and it's this dark. This is the weather here in Turkey and most other places. I have seen it on social media, okay? The cold is too much. I would have worn my jacket. Thank God Kobe is covered up. Say hi.
Hi.
But it's cold. So we're heading to the market now and the stores that I'm going to pick some groceries. So come along with us. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and let's go. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. We are staying in our neighborhood. We just went to the ATM to pick money. Okay?
See you guys in my next video. Bye.
Let's cross. We're already in the market buying stuff.
Okay.
Just more pepper.
I'm not supposed to go for my
Come back here. Don't go anywhere. Stay here.
I should not go and talk to strangers.
Yeah, don't talk to strangers. Let me bring money out. So, pick green pepper.
I should pick green pepper.
No,
with
don't
you.
touch it.
You said
It's very for adults.
if I grow up, I'll pick it with you.
Yes.
Okay. And I'll cook with you.
Yeah, till you grow up. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
So as I was saying, we came late today. You can see everybody is going home. The market is not too crowded again because this is after 7. So it's just a mini shopping here and there. We're going to Okreka.
Mommy,
Wait. So I saw this handless bra for workouts and staying at home. I just want to buy it and add to my own. And it has padded this to here. Let me buy it. I bought 14 the other day, just last week. Within 1 week, they don't add them. It's now 75, 7.5, 7.50. It is well. Hey Jesus, what else? Buy milk, and we are okay.
Mommy, are you so far outside? It's because the market.
Yeah, because I did not see okra. Okra alago.
And I saw pizza with my 2 eyes.
Yeah.
It's very, very yummy.
Buy milk. Which one will I buy me? You don't put the price of this one. No?
Mommy,
Mm-hmm.
you have to like this one too. Mommy, keep it in basket.
I will put it now.
Yes, see? I'm doing shopping today.
Okay, you're doing shopping. Put one more. Kanka, this is how much?
This is how much?
How much will?
This is how much.
What is baby? Go on, Mama. So let's go. Nothing else. Let's go.
Tomorrow I will buy pizza for myself.
Tomorrow you buy pizza for yourself.
Yes,
You want to eat pizza?
and I will not give you.
And you will not give me. That I'm giving one. So if I buy pizza for you, you use the mouth and tell me you will not give me. You're not buying any toys. You let Chani be a kaipo. Let's go.
Tomorrow.
No, we're not buying anyone.
Yesterday when we were going to the shop, you said tomorrow we'll buy pizza. You said right.
Walk 100 steps today. 1,000 steps today. You stop to buy meat. Buy chicken.
I'm touching it like you, right? Simon,
So, you
Mommy,
stop to buy chicken.
Mommy,
Yes.
Simon,
I've seen it.
are you putting your hand in my phone?
Yeah.
You love me?
Yes.
And you kiss me?
Yes.
Okay.
Drama king.
Tomorrow I will give. In the night I'll give you my phone, okay?
Okay.
Everything you want, but you can't have. Number one regret, no take backs. The hole in your chest, that's payback. Payback, yeah, you better take that. You could call me